Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Oden Shalom. Today I will be showing you how to cut this pattern of dress, this neck in particular, step by step without skipping any part of it. All I want from you is just your attention. Make sure you don't skip any part of this lesson if you really want to benefit from it. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, turn on your notification, and let's jump into the lesson. So this is my fabric. It's already unfolded. So I'm measuring 10 inches for me to start my measurement. So the space there is up to 10 inches because I may likely use a specific neck design or thereabout. So let's start the measurement. That is the shoulder where my finger is, and my full length of the dress is 30 inches. I will mark and connect those points. After connecting those points, now I will be putting the space for the facing or the shawl collar just this way. So I'll be showing you all the measurement in details. Make sure you don't skip any part of this lesson. So let me measure it 2 inches from the margin. So I'll be measuring 1 inches, that is the button allowance for this dress. Now roll that straight line accordingly. Let me confirm that is 1 inches, just like I have said. And now I'll be imputing my neck measurement of 2.5 inches. It may differ depending on the size of the dress you are making, but for this size I'm using 2.5 inches. 2.5. And I'll go down by 4.5 inches. We're seeing 4.5 inches. Just watch carefully. So depending on how wide or how down you want the V shape to be on the dress, so I'll impute my shoulder measurement of 18 inches. I'll connect those 2 points together. And when I'm done, I'll be imputing my shoulder slant and the armhole measurement. But that's not what we are talking about today. I'm just using it so that you see the complete drafting of this shirt. Now I'll impute the measurement at once before coming to this side, just like it is. So from that 2.5 inches, I will be coming down or out by 3/4 of an inch, just like shown. 3/4 of an inch. Then I will connect to that 4.5 inches I marked earlier. And now after connecting it like that, I will be connecting as well the 3/4 I measured like this. So are we seeing? So I'll connect my shoulder slant. And after connecting my shoulder slant, I will come in here by 1/2 of an inch and I will mark. Half of an inch, and I will roll a straight line following that 1/2 inches. So now it depends on the shape you really want to have from this lapel. So I will be taking 2 1/4 or 2 inches as my preferred lapel size. So 2 inches is okay, and I will connect it that way all through. So now the shape depends on individual differences. So mine, I will be using this C-like shape. Are you seeing? So I'll connect it that way, just like shown. Are you seeing? So this is the button allowance, and now I will impute the 10 inches and I will connect it that way. So the total neck is less than 10 inches. I'm just using it so that instead of running short of this shawl collar or the neck, you should have something extra to be cut out. So I'll mark my balls and I will impute the same measurements at the down part and I'll connect it that way. So that is the front pattern or the front pieces of this design, and I'll cut it out. This is how it looks like after I'm done cutting it out. So I'll be preparing my fabric as to cut the back bodies of this dress. So it has been placed, and the 1 inches button allowance is outside of the midpoint of the back bodies. So I'm using 3.5 from the shoulder, the front bodies, and I'll connect those 2 points together. You can use up to 4 inches or lesser than 3.5 inches. It's all about choice. And now after I'm done doing that, I will notch that part. Look at that straight line that followed the shoulder slant, and I'll fold the neck this way. You see? Now what I'll be doing is, there's this point here from the lapel there. I'll be coming in by half of an inch, and I will mark. So I'll cut it that way. So after I'm done cutting it, I will impute my shoulder measurement to make sure it is accurate. If it is not, I will trim it out and I will cut as well. Now let me show you what I meant by what I said, like the lapel or the shawl collar is longer. So I wanted making it something different from this, but I changed my mind along the way. So this is it. It's longer, so I'll be cutting the excess out. Are you seeing? So I'll cut it out that way. And now when I'm done cutting it out, what I'll be doing is just to finish up the bodies. Are you seeing? I'll cut out the bodies, and the sleeves will be cut, and every other thing will be put in place. Are you seeing? This is how it's supposed to look like. Are you seeing the design from the stripes? Yes, that is it. And now I'll be cutting the facing. So I'll place my front bodies this way, and I will cut it out accordingly. Just watch out carefully. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well as you subscribe. I upload important and helpful videos every week. And if you find this lesson helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and make sure you share for more updates. In case you wish to have a notification in every of my uploads, turn on your notification button so that I'll get you notified each time I upload a new video. So after I'm done cutting it, I will go to my table and give it a very good press, like of a hairstay. And this is the result after I'm done sewing it. So kindly check my playlist, or I'll drop the link in the description below for the stitching process. Thank you and have a nice time.